You're watching how to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. Open the Facebook website on a desktop browser or use the mobile app. The steps are similar. Log into your account. Click the arrow in the top right on desktop or tap the menu icon 3 lines on mobile. Go to Settings and Privacy, then select Settings on the left menu or by scrolling on mobile, find and click Security and Login. This will open your security settings. Look for the section titled Two-Factor Authentication and click Edit or Use Two-Factor Authentication. You may need to enter your Facebook password again to proceed. You will see the current two-factor method listed, such as an authentication app or text message. To turn it off, you will see a button or toggle labeled Turn Off next to the active method. Click Turn Off. Facebook will show a warning explaining that turning this off makes your account less secure. Confirm by clicking Turn Off again in the pop-up. The two-factor authentication setting is now disabled. You will no longer need a second code to log in from new devices. For added security, ensure you have a strong, unique password and that your trusted contact emails and phone numbers are up to date in your account settings. You can re-enable two-factor authentication at any time by following the same steps and choosing Get Started to set it up again. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.